A list of the most popular web development frameworks that you can learn. Web development frameworks are a very essential thing if we are designing the backend for any web project. There are tons of benefits available to using a web framework, while web backend development, some of them are listed below. Inbuilt security features. Frameworks can save the time of development. Dealing with different databases, ORM, object relational mapping. Reduce the code and we can reuse the code. Code will be easy to debug. In today's time, there are many web development frameworks are available, to begin with, and this is creating confusion to choose the best from them. So, I have decided to answer this question based on my web development experience. Here, I have selected the top 5 web backend development frameworks that you can learn and start your career as a web developer. 5. Spring. Spring is a model, view, and controller-based framework of Java for web development. The fact that it includes Java, a strongly typed language, is a huge plus. However, if you don't know Java, the learning curve may be rather strict. This framework is used by websites such as Wix, Ticketmaster, and Bill. Guard. Course to learn Spring. 4. Rails. Rails is a beginner-friendly framework, as well as the fact that benefits and negatives are contested makes it easier for newcomers to get began with web development. It's also an MVC, Model View Controller, framework. Rails have a lot of valuable gems, which are library-like dependencies that increase the functionality of your project and help you develop it quicker and more efficiently. The Rails community is trustworthy and inviting, and there are plenty of tutorials, screencasts, and tools to help you become a Rails expert quickly. Course to learn Rails. 3. Django. It is a Python-based mode, view, and controller framework for web development. It complies with the dry pattern as well as the convention over configuration design. Django's security is critical. Django provides developers with tools and resources to help them build secure websites, or it includes security features within the framework itself, such as preventing code execution in the template layer. This framework is used by big brands like Google, YouTube, and Instagram. Course to learn Django. 2. Laravel. Laravel is a PHP-based model view controller framework. PHP is amongst the most popular web languages. It is quite new compared to the others on this list. Laracasts is an instructional site with over 1,000 videos on PHP, Laravel, and front-end technologies in the Laravel ecosystem, making it an ideal place for beginners. Laravel comes with API support out of the box and a plethora of packages to extend its functionality. Laravel, on the other hand, does not compare to Django or Express in terms of performance, which might be a disadvantage for large projects. Course to learn Laravel. 1. Express.js. Express.js takes pride in being a lightweight, fast, and platform-independent framework. It's also quite versatile, as it can handle both full applications and REST APIs. It provides certain basic framework functionality without obscuring Node.js's capabilities, and it makes use of the asynchronous Node.js's strong performance. The fact that there is no established manner of doing things, at least for novices, is maybe Express.js's worst flaw. Course to learn Express. Final thoughts. I have covered the top 5 web development frameworks which I feel that you should learn to become a web developer. There are many famous frameworks such as Next.js, Flask, CakePHP, ASP.NET, and Codeigniter, and many others are available which are also popular. If you are interested, then you can learn them. I have also published an article for the top 5 front-end frameworks to learn. You can check it out. Top 5 front-end frameworks to learn. Thank you for reading this article. Don't forget to follow me on to read more like it, and you can also share this article on social media to increase its spread.